I am in Avon Lake, Ohio at the Wildberry townhomes, and I can't wait to show you this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath updated unit. What I love about this condo is that it's an end unit, so you get all this natural light. There's the 2-story vaulted great room, and the sellers updated the fireplace. It's gas burning, so you can cozy up, read a book, put a Christmas tree here for the holidays, and really enjoy it. This condo offers a first floor master suite with a custom-built walk-in closet, plenty of room to store all of your clothes and belongings, and the ensuite features a soaking tub, a shower, and a double vanity. You can move right in. I love the loft upstairs. You have so much space for entertaining, and there's this awesome flex room. You could use it as a storage room, as an office, a playroom. Really, the possibilities are endless. Kitchen is perfect for entertaining with the white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. It's open to the laundry room that has a ton of storage as well. There's new vinyl flooring and granite countertops. Who wouldn't want to cook in this kitchen? If you're looking for low maintenance living, this condo community is for you. They take care of the snow removal, trash, and landscaping, and there's also a pool that you can enjoy in the summer. Contact me for a tour today.